How to disable save story to gallery on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable save story to gallery on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile in the bottom corner and now click the storylines, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and here you will find story. Now just scroll down until you find the save to gallery, and here all you need to do is just click on it if you want to disable it, and then that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.